Alright, hey guys, I got a 2012 new bike check for you guys. It's my 2011 Eastern Nitrous Cobra, and I'm going to be telling you all the parts I have for it. Nitrous, they're nitrous forks. The front tire is an Eastern Curb Monkey, made by Eastern Bikes, and I got, it's a Zach 30 aluminum alloy rim, front rim. I don't know what the hub is. If you know what it is, tell me. I got stock Eastern Bike grips with Eastern Bike bar ends. I got Eastern nitrous handlebars. I got a Tektro brake lever and a solid black brake cable. I have a nitrous stem, an Eastern Night Prowler seat with green stitching, regular Eastern Bike pedals, nitrous 3-piece cranks, unsealed, which is kind of crappy, but it's like a beginner bike. I have an Eastern nitrous 25-tooth sprocket. I don't know what the chain is. If you do, tell me. I don't know what the brakes are or the brake pads. It's a Zach 30 rear rim. I don't know what the hub is, but it's like really weird because look, it's like half gold and black. Yeah, that's my bike. I'll let you hear what the hub sounds like. Hold on a second, let me set the camera down. Alright, that's it. Oh, and my rear hub, it's a cassette hub. But yeah, that's my bike check. 2011 Eastern Nitrous Cobra. Thanks. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.